What up guys, I'm Thales and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're going to be checking out So this is the Igloo case for your keycaps. As you can see, this is a really nice model to store all of your keycaps. So in this video, we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So let's go. Over here in layer height, we're going to be selecting 0.80 millimeters so we can get a better quality print. By printing at 0.18, we're going to get a balance between quality and print time. If you reduce too much of this value, it's going to take more time to print. It's going to have a better quality, but it's going to take too much time to print. At 0.18, we got a balance between both. As for vertical shells, we're going to be leaving at 3 so we can get a really dense and really rigid model so it does not break while we're printing, while we're utilizing actually. On infill density, we're going to select a 12% infill so we can get a dense part with a gyroid infill pattern. Gyroid's a really nice infill pattern to use in this case and for other parts that you need a well dense and really solid print. Over here in brim, we're going to be adding brim, but not to all of the parts because not all of them need brim. Just the hinge, because this got a solid area of contact to the build plate, and the top case does not need any brim, just the hinge. So we're going to be adding a brim just to the hinge right here. To do that, you just select the hinge, go over here, go to add settings, skirt and brim type, brim width, and select a 4mm brim, and it's just going to be on the outer part only. So we're going to be adding a little bit of a brim. So this looks fantastic. We do not need to change anything in the brim region nor settings. So this is perfect. For support material, we're going to be generating support material. As you can see, the under part of the top need support because it's not supported. So you can just increase the brush size, go over here and paint. You can do a rough paint, doesn't need to be too specific. You can go really closely, and if it prints the side part, we're going to be selecting a grid support. We're not going to be using a organic support in this case because this part is flat. And so going over here to print settings, we're going to select grid. We do not need to change to organic. Over here in top interference layers, we're going to select one light so it's easier to remove. And generate support material, toggle yes, auto generate no, because we have painted it. Over here in speed, we do not need to change any of the speed, especially on Bambu Lab printers, but in small perimeters, I would recommend reducing to 55 just to print the hinge better, because as this is a mechanism, you need to print really nicely. So reducing the speed for small perimeters is going to make sure we print this part right here better. So let's just slice and see the changes we have made. So as you can see, we have sliced and it looks quite nice. We have added the custom brim to the hinge right here. So it's going to take 3 hours and 32 minutes to print the Igloo case. And if you go to speed, you'll see that it reduces the speed while printing this part. So this looks fantastic. So the models are ready to print. Make sure to check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLFlix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.